The first steps for training your rescue/rehome/adult dog. Subtitle: Essential tips for successfully training your rescue or adult dog. Training a rescue, rehomed, or adult dog may be a gratifying experience that helps you form a close bond with your new furry friend. Whether you've recently acquired from a shelter or taken in a dog from a friend, the early stages in training are critical for establishing a positive tone in your connection. These early moments might influence your dog's behavior and help them adjust to their new surroundings. Patience, consistency, and understanding are essential components of effective training. Remember, your new dog may have had prior experiences that have influenced their behavior, so approach training with empathy and a willingness to learn together. Set up a program that includes regular feedings, toilet breaks, and exercise. Consistency in your schedule will make your dog feel more secure and make it simpler for him to learn new behaviors. Positive reinforcement is a significant technique for training. When your dog exhibits appropriate behavior, reward him with treats, praise, or playing. This will encourage children to continue those actions in the future. Finally, consider consulting a professional trainer, especially if your dog has unique behavioral issues or you're not sure where to begin. A trainer can offer tailored advice and support to help you and your dog flourish. By taking these early steps, you're building the framework for a happy, well-behaved dog and a rewarding connection. Let's go into the details and tactics used in the video for training older dogs. 1. Developing motivation and control. Ken Steep emphasizes the value of developing a strong relationship with your dog, making it enjoyable for them to listen and pay attention to you. This foundation is critical for successful training. Begin by rewarding desirable actions with high-value treats or toys, such as sitting or arriving when called. Positive reinforcement increases motivation and encourages your dog to interact with you. It is also critical to establish clear boundaries and be consistent in your commands. Establishing authority in a calm and supportive approach will assist your dog understand what is required of them while retaining their trust and respect. Building motivation and control in this manner provides a solid foundation for successful training and a healthy relationship between you and your dog. 2. Exercise 1. Teaching collar grabs. Objective: teach your dog to come close to you when you reach for their collar, which is necessary for attaching a leash or other handling. Begin by associating reaching for their collar with positive reinforcement such as food or praise. To simulate a leash, gradually increase the time of contact while applying light pressure. This will make your dog more comfortable and safe when being handled. Technique: begin with nice goodies to make the session enjoyable for your dog. Begin by placing treats on your dog's nose and pulling them closer to you. Place your hand behind their collar while they are eating. Reward them many times while holding their collar. Gradually smooth out the action and increase control, ensuring that your dog is at ease with you manipulating their collar. This strategy trains your dog to identify the action of reaching for their collar with positive incentives, making it a pleasant experience for them. It's critical to go at your dog's pace and keep them comfortable throughout the procedure. With patience and persistence, your dog will learn to approach you voluntarily when you reach for their collar, which is necessary for leashing or handling them in a variety of circumstances. Tip: bring your hand close to your body to ensure your dog gets as close as possible before attempting to grip their collar. 3. Exercise 2. Name recognition. Objective: train your dog to respond to their name consistently by coupling it with rewards or praise. Begin in a peaceful atmosphere and gradually introduce distractions. Reward them right away when they answer, using your name as a cue for attention and pleasant connection. Technique: begin in a calm setting with few distractions. Call your dog's name in a cheerful tone and instantly reward them with a treat or verbal praise when they glance at you or approach you. Repeat this activity numerous times during the day, making sure that each name is followed by a reward. Gradually increase the distance between you and your dog while introducing light distractions. Continue to reward individuals for answering to their name. Consistency is essential. Practice this practice on a daily basis to help your dog identify their name with something nice and reinforcing. By utilizing positive reinforcement, you may teach your dog to respond consistently to their name, laying the groundwork for good communication and connection between you. Tip: always pronounce the name first, followed by the reward 1 second later to reinforce the link. 4. Exercise 3. Name recognition with distractions. Objective: train your dog to answer to their name even while distracted by rewarding them with goodies or praise when they do. Practice in a variety of settings with increasing levels of distraction to establish their name as a stimulus to attention. Technique: call your dog's name when distracted. If they glance at you, kindly reward them with sweets or praise. Begin with modest distractions such as when they are interested in a toy or smell the ground. Gradually raise the challenge by introducing more distracting elements such as other dogs or humans. Consistently reward children for answering to their name in different settings. This strategy teaches your dog to respond to their name consistently, even while distracted, by linking it with nice rewards and maintaining their focus on you. Tip: treats can help your dog focus on you, especially where there are distractions. 5. Exercise for teaching wait. Objective: teach your dog to be patient by progressively increasing the time they wait before earning a reward. Begin with brief delays and reward them for remaining quiet. Gradually increase the waiting time and reward their patience with goodies or praise. Technique: place your dog in a sit or down position. Tell them to wait and praise them for staying in place. Use the release phrase "okay" to signify when they can move. Gradually raise the challenge by moving away from your dog or introducing distractions. Provide big rewards for those who wait patiently. This strategy teaches your dog to wait peacefully, increasing their self-control and obedience. Reinforcing this behavior requires consistency and patience. Tip: reward your dog for remaining in position more frequently than releasing them to encourage the desired behavior. 6. Gradually increase difficulty. Objective: assist your dog in generalizing behaviors in varied contexts and with various distractions. Technique: gradually increase your distance away from your dog. Use diversions to encourage excellent behavior while they remain focused on you. If your dog makes a mistake, redirect them back to the proper position and thank them for their good conduct. Tip: use verbal markers "yes" to signify appropriate conduct before delivering a treat. 7. Utilizing natural training opportunities. Objective: incorporate training into daily activities. Technique: practice training activities throughout mealtimes and daily routines. This helps your dog understand that training is more than just formal sessions, it is a part of their daily lives. Tip: use this chance to reinforce habits such as sitting and waiting before meals. 8. Role-playing game and rule-out exercise. Objective: teach your dog to stay in a specific location until freed. Technique: use a bed or mat as a demarcated area. Give your dog treats and reward him for staying on the spot despite the availability of sweets. Tip: gradually increase the challenge by utilizing higher value goodies and altering the length of the wait. 9. Summary and leadership. Objective: be a clear, consistent, and fair leader to your dog. Technique: consistently practice workouts to develop beneficial habits and reinforce behaviors. Maintain consistency in your training approaches and always employ positive reinforcement. This will help your dog recognize you as a leader worth following. Tip: use training as an opportunity to bond with your dog while making learning enjoyable for both of you. By following these exercises and strategies, you can lay a solid foundation of obedience and responsiveness in your older dog. Effective training requires consistency, patience, and positive reward. Training your rescue, rehomed, or an adult dog is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and understanding. By taking these first steps, you're setting the foundation for a strong bond and a well-behaved companion. Remember, every dog is unique, and the key to successful training lies in adapting techniques to suit their individual needs and experiences. As you continue training, focus on building a positive relationship based on trust and clear communication. Use positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats, praise, and playtime, to encourage good behavior and make learning enjoyable for your dog. It's important to be patient with your dog's progress and celebrate their successes, no matter how small. Training takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Keep sessions short and frequent to maintain your dog's interest and prevent them from becoming overwhelmed. If you encounter challenges, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a professional trainer who can provide personalized advice and support. Above all, cherish the journey of training your rescue or rehome dog. With love, patience, and consistency, you're not only teaching them new skills, but also giving them a second chance at a happy and fulfilling life with you. Enjoy the process of bonding with your new companion and celebrating the milestones along the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.